How does Trip.com flight booking work? Trip.com flight booking works like most online travel platforms, but with a few extra features for deals and flexible travel options. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then go to the Trip.com and just make sure that you are signed in to your Trip.com account. Now, once signed in, all you have to do is tap on the flights option available at the top tabs and enter your departure city, destination, travel dates, and number of passengers accordingly. Choose one-way round trip or multi-city option available there as well, and simply tap on the check option available after you complete entering your personal details. Now, Trip.com searches multiple airlines and shows you available flights. You can filter by price, airline, departure or arrival times, flight duration, stops, or even fare type. Then click on the flight you want and review details like baggage, allowance, layovers, and cancellation rules. You can simply tap on the one according to your preferences. Then once you tap on it, you will get to see all the more informations about that airlines. And you can pick one seat according to your preferences. You can also add seat selection, extra baggage, insurance, or flexible tickets for a fee. Then pay using credit or debit card or PayPal or other local payment methods. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.